Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I know it's been a long time. I've been waiting for a few bits to arrive, sorting a few bits out, and the weather's not been the best, so I'm doing it now even though it is raining. It's just basically a few bits, character building bits, and I'm going to do a giveaway as well. I won't bore you with some of the bits, I'll just do them and then show you what they look like. Apart from that, without further ado, let's crack on. Here we have a new engine start button surround, so I'm going to stick it on. Looks pretty plain and horrible, to be perfectly honest. Nice bit of kit, not bad for a few quid. It is on straight before anybody says anything. It's just, as you know, if you're an Fn2 owner, the button is angled. Here we have a pair of inner door lock covers. I shall put them on in the rain, like the start button surround. Just a little bit of 3M tape. Just tidies the car up a bit, gives it a bit of character. See, it's just boring, shiny, galvanised, whatever it is. Definitely needs a cover on. There you go, makes a massive difference, looks a lot nicer and cleaner and tidier. Right, as you can see, I've got a bit of a scuff here. I don't like it. Strange how it's a big open space and I've not done anything with it, so I bought a non-slip mat to cover it because it bugs me. There you go, nice little non-slip mat, covers the gouge in the dash. Out of sight, out of mind. I actually quite like that mat. So there we go. You know what these are, Mugen socks. I'll go and stick them in the engine bay. There we go. All fitted, nice and snug. We have one last thing. The custom Type R battery tie, which is from the son of Mtech custom gear knobs. Give them a look up, I'll put the link in the description. And there we have it, all on. Nice and snugly and tight. For a 2008 car, this is extremely tidy. I'm sorry about the deck holes, so they've not been done yet. Okay, on to the real reason this video is being done. I've been lucky enough to be in contact with a company called Mtech custom gear knobs. Some of you who follow me will have already seen them on Instagram. They do have a website, I'll put links in the description about it. And he got, at the same time I did, an Fn2. So out of interest, they asked if anyone was interested in doing or getting a custom gear knob. So I mentioned it, yes, because I'd followed him previous, because I was going to get one for the ST. So he kindly did some designs, sent them to me, and he sent me out one for me and another one for a giveaway. So I'm going to show you mine, how to install it. It's very simple. Well, the funny thing is, I didn't need a spanner. Mine was actually loose, just unscrews. That the original OEM knob weighs 144 grams. When you take it off, it does actually feel quite heavy. For something so small. So this is the one that Mtech Custom Gear Knobs sent me out. This is the one I chose for myself. Absolutely beautiful, heavy, 241 grams I think. I'll have a look at the info in a second. Yeah, look at that bad boy, gorgeous. It's 100 or so grams heavier than the original OEM one. Beautiful. Beautiful, shiny. Looks absolutely fantastic. Oh, I like that. The size of it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like it. If you want to hit him up, get a quote, please do so on Instagram. Let him know you've seen it in my video. Not because I get anything from it, just so he knows that it's actually worked and people like the stuff. Let's have a look at the giveaway one. Okay, so I'll hold it in comparison to this one. It is smaller, and it's just as beautiful, to be perfectly honest. Sorry about the light. The light's terrible. I'm a terrible photographer and videographer, so yeah, it is a lovely, well made. It's weighted. It's a bit cold, so it's a bit got condensation on it. It's a beautiful, but the size difference, there is a massive size difference, and about 50 grams in weight difference, I think, off the top of my head. I'll put the figures in the description so you can see for yourselves, or contact him direct. His links will be in the description. So there we go. All you have to do with a chance to win this is like, subscribe, comment and share on social media. That's all I ask, and I'll put all the names into a draw and it'll be drawn on the next video, which should be in the next few days. I'm going to start doing it hopefully tomorrow when the weather breaks, because it's an interesting one. For you purists out there, you might not like what I'm going to do, but this is about doing stuff on your driveway within a budget and enjoying yourself doing it and showing people that they can do it as well.